So today is the 28th of July, correct?
Correct.
2018. We're up here, what's the name of this place?
Signal Hill?
Signal Hill. Okay, this is real close to Picture Rocks. Just on the west side of Tucson, Arizona. Take a look at that. Wow. Interesting looking little storm we got there. Can you see the serial number of it from here? Oh, yeah, I go. Need some binoculars. You could probably get the serial.
042776.
Don't they have to, they're required to put a serial number on them, aren't they now? Probably the same thing with the tornadoes. Wow, that was a good one.
Got it too.
I did, because I was running. So, wow. Wow. Good thing I don't have the tripod today, I'm thinking. You know, with what I'm hearing and seeing her lately, it's crazy. We're getting this weather that is just all lightning with no rain.
Yeah.
No rain. Looks like electrical storms. Oh my gosh. I missed part of it. Ooh. And they'll get this footage and they'll go, yes, the last footage he ever took. Right here. We got it. Too bad the chip went out. Oh my God. So, is the blood moon yesterday?
Yeah, last night.
Okay, so that's what, yeah, I got a video of that yesterday. A blood moon lightning storm is what it was. I think we might want to back up. What do you think? Wow.
I think it's getting kind of close.
I don't really want to get hit by one of them. Holy mother. Oh, there's going to be a big one coming.
I know it, right?
I just hope it's not my last one to see.